In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a site. If you've shared a Google site publicly and now need to take it offline, maybe you're updating content, rebranding, or simply don't want it visible anymore, unpublishing is the clean, reversible way to do it. Unpublishing removes the site from its public web address, but it does not delete your work. Your pages, images, and settings remain safely in the editor so you can keep editing or republish later. Start by opening your site in Google Sites. Make sure you're signed into the correct account and select the specific site you want to take offline. It's worth pausing here to confirm you're in the right project, especially if you manage multiple sites with similar names. You'll want edit access for this, and you should see your site open in the Sites editor with the top toolbar visible. Next, go to the top right corner and click the Publish button. If your site is currently live, this button is how you control its visibility. When you click Publish, you'll see options related to your live site. Look for the Unpublish option and select it. This tells Google Sites that you want the public version to come down. You're not erasing your content, you're just removing public access to the published copy. A confirmation prompt will appear. Read it carefully so you understand the impact. After unpublishing, your site's public URL will no longer display your content. When you're ready, confirm by clicking OK. You may see a brief loading indicator. Once it completes, you'll notice the button in the top right returns to a simple publish state, which is your visual cue that the site is now offline to the public. A quick tip to verify: if you have the public link handy, try opening it in a private or incognito window. If the site still appears, give it a moment and refresh. Browser or server caching can cause a short delay. If you used a custom domain, visitors may see a not found or unavailable message rather than your site's content after unpublishing. Search engines might also take time to update their results. Cached listings can linger temporarily, but they'll drop off as indexing refreshes. When you're ready to go live again, just return to the editor and click Publish to republish the latest version. Your design, pages, and prior settings remain intact, so turning the site back on is fast and straightforward. And that's all there is to it.